Welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about the LLM checker chain from Langchain. The whole purpose is to verify if a statement that is passed or a query that is passed to the LLM is in fact a fact or a fictitious. So in the code, we first import the chain library. We also need to import the OpenAI. We instantiate the OpenAI LLM. We have the chain. So we have a letter. In this letter, it has some statements. The cat is on the table. The man took a cat and put it in a box. The cat is still on the table. Now what we do, we use this LLM checker chain to verify whether that it's a fact or a fictitious. So while I'm running it, you can see that I have the query and I have a result. So the result says it's false. So if the cat was taken by the man, so it should no longer be on the table. This is not right. If we want the result to return true, we can just replace this is still with no longer, and then if we call it again, it returns true. Let's observe how the LLMs are responding to this. So we pretty much have the same project, but for this run name, we'll have the LLM checker chain. We run again, so this time we get some explanation about the reasoning of why this statement is true. And now let's go take a look at the Langsmith dashboard for this project. I am in the Langsmith dashboard for this project name called most used chains. So as you can see, the last time that I run an LLM goes back to this time. Now you can see that I have this LLM checker chain. If I go back here, this is the name that I assigned to this run. Just look at the number of chains or the number of calls from the OpenAI. So we have this sequential chain, which is in fact one of the other popular chains. This is the question that the user is actually returning. The output is coming from the language model or the OpenAI. Now the cat is in the box. This is a statement, and this is kind of the inference from this statement. This statement is repeated in another call. Make a bullet point list of the assumptions you made when producing the above statement. So a language model is asking the other language model to generate examples of the inferences that could potentially comes out of this statement. So it has 10 different inferences about this. Now the cat is in the box. Another chain, and within this chain we have this question, the statement, and the assertion. Finally, given this prompt or this statement, given all this information, and in this question that one of the LLMs is actually asking the other LLM, in light of the above assertions and checks, how would you answer the question? This is the response. I hope that this was helpful. If you find this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up so that other developers can watch this. I will see you in the next video.